दोस्तों वेलकम बैक टू वन मोर ब्लॉग ऑफ कैलकाटा ट्यूब। मैं हूँ शबूज। आशा करते हैं आप लोग स्वस्थ होंगे, मस्त होंगे। आज हम आए हैं एमएस मोटर इंडिया में, जो कौशबा में सिचुएटेड है, साउथ कोलकाता। Today's blog gonna be very exciting because I'm gonna reveal two Range Rover, one Evoque, the other one is Discovery Sport। दोस्तों सामने ये जो गाड़ी आप देख पा रहे हो, ये है लैंड रोवर रेंज रोवर Evoque। This is the first owner single hand use car। This is a 4-wheel drive car। Comes with 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine which produces 132 bhp of power plus 430 Nm of torque। 18-inch का टायर्स मिलेंगे with machine finished alloys। You get xenon headlights with LED signature and power wash। The headlamps comes with automatic function, plus you get automatic rain sensing wipers। You can check the huge panoramic moon roof। As you can see, this is the Evoque version of Range Rover and the variant is HSE। Comes with 9-speed automatic transmission। The car can touch a 0 to 100 km per hour in just 9 seconds and it can reach a top speed of 195 km per hour। These are the xenon headlamps with automatic function। नीचे LED fog lamps भी मिल जाएंगे। The Range Rover logo is embedded on the bonnet। नीचे की तरफ skid plates भी मिल जाएंगे आपको मैं स्पेशल ये बताना चाहूँगा कि इसका इंटीरियर में अराउंड 5-6 लाख रुपया खर्चा किया गया है। इट गेट्स मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव इन क्लास सीट कवर्स विथ एयर बैग फिटेड इनसाइड। लेट मी शो यू द कार की विथ सपोर्ट कीलेस एंट्री। आप देख सकते हो द ह्यूज पैनोरामिक मून रूफ। रेंज रोवर इज ए प्रीमियम SUV और इसमें फीचर्स का तो कुछ कमी हो नहीं सकता। It has a plethora of features। The front seats can be electronically adjusted with memory function। You get leather steering wheel with all sort of controls on the steering। Let me first start up with the music system। It gets a Meridian surround sound system which produces 380 watt through 8 speaker system including a dual channel subwoofer। You can see the dual zone automatic AC। You can see the automatic transmission। This is the electric parking brake। You get 2 cup holders inside plus a USB socket for charging। The car comes with push button start, rear camera and rear sensors। Gets a 8-inch HD screen with audio controls and vehicle information। So this is the diesel car HSE variant 2012 model with lifetime tax, insurance till 2021, only 18,000 km run with service records। Price is 22,99,000। Like Calcutta Tube Facebook page। Friends, now it's time to show you the next Land Rover Range Rover, the Discovery Sport। गाड़ी बम्पर टू बम्पर ओरिजिनल पेंट पे आएगा, no repaint। So this is the bigger brother of the Land Rover Evoque I have shown just before। This is also a 4-wheel drive car। This car also has the xenon headlights with LED signature and power wash। It has the automatic headlight functionality plus the rain sensing wipers plus LED fog lamps। As you can see, this is the sport variant of the Range Rover। So this also comes with 2-liter 4-cylinder diesel engine which produces 240 bhp of power with 250 Nm of torque। The tail lamps are also LED। The most significant identification for a Discovery Sport is the black alloy wheels, and those are machine finished and comes in 18-inch. Both the Range Rovers I have shown today features a suite of latest technologies to provide the driver and the passengers with the most comfortable, most enjoyable experience possible. Both the Range Rover creates a ethos of luxury, quality and attention to detail. In both cars, the pedestrian safety has been given a very high priority with a carefully optimized design for the front end bumpers, bonnet and the cowl area to minimize the potential injuries. Both the Range Rover has a fully independent suspension with coil sprung struts front and rear and isolated front and rear subframes mounted to an exceptionally stiff steel monoshock body shell. The chassis of both the cars feature a number of innovations such as electric power assisted steering, which is also known as EPAS, which helps the vehicle achieve its unique dynamic character and improved efficiency. Both the Range Rovers I have shown comes with safety features like hill descent control, hill start assist, traction control system, also dynamic stability control plus the roll stability control. It also gets 6 airbags like driver and passenger, side curtain and driver knee. It gets 2-zone climate control with air quality sensing. It gets 6 airbags. It gets leather steering with multifunctional controls plus a huge panoramic moonroof. So this is the Discovery Sport of the Range Rover Land Rover 2017 मॉडल. 22 तक इसका टैक्स दिया हुआ है, सिर्फ 28,000 किलोमीटर रन है और प्राइसिंग है 31,99,000. आपको स्पेशल डिस्काउंट मिल सकता है इफ़ यू कोट कैलकाटा ट्यूब का नाम. MS मोटर आपको ऑफ़र करेंगे 3 फ्री सर्विसेज पोस्ट सेल्स. आई होप आज का ब्लॉग आपको अच्छा लगा है. आई विल शोकेस अ लॉट ऑफ प्रीमियम कार्स वेरी सून. टिल देन टेक केयर. गुड बाय.